Guys, this is Ethiopia computing. I am Gana Ogwata. In this video, I will show you how to select the greatest number from a given list of numbers, for example, from 3 numbers. So follow me in patience. Let me start. In 1 or A equals to int, for example, float, can say float input first number. Enter the first number. B, C, third number, second number. Then if n1 greater than or equals to n2, n1, sorry, A greater than or equal to B, and A greater than or equal to C. Print, print is greater than and greater than A, B, C. Else if B greater than or equals to A and greater than or equal to C, then B greater than A and C. Yeah. Else if C greater than or equals to A and C greater than or equals to B, C, A and B. Else display no one above from the other. Let me enter. Let me check that the first number, for example, 6, 5, 2. Enter. Yeah, 6 is greater than 5 and 2. What about 5 and 3 and 4 or 9? Yeah, 9, that means the third number. 9 is greater than 5 and 3. Okay, so fact is good. See you next video.